Everybody is in panic mode right now. People are having big arguments about Bitcoin's price. Some are saying it's going to crash all the way down, while some others are saying it's going all the way to 300,000. In the middle of all these arguments, let us take a step back and have a realistic evaluation of what the Bitcoin chart is holding. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is King, your host. I'm a full-time trader and investor. The information I'll be presenting in today's video is not meant to provide any kind of financial advice, and is for educational purposes only to help you understand the markets better. If it's your first time in my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. The more you do this, the more I'll be motivated to give you content like that. Let's get down to it. So this is Bitcoin's daily chart, and let us start first with the things that we already know. The first thing is that we have a confirmation that says we're in a downtrend or in a correction phase right now. And that's for two reasons. The first reason is that Bitcoin has broken the uptrend line, this one. When the price broke this trend line and retested it again, then fell down for one more time, this was the first confirmation that we're in a downtrend. Now the second confirmation is that we started forming lower lows and lower highs instead of higher highs and higher lows, and this happened for the first time over here. So we were trending up, forming a high, a low, higher low, another higher high, another higher low, until this point over here. As soon as the price went down and formed a lower low than the previous one, then formed another lower high than the previous one, we started being in a downtrend. So for these two reasons, we can confirm that we're in a correction phase that started exactly on the 14th of April, right here. So currently, bulls and bears are fighting with each other, and Bitcoin is looking to make a decision of where it should be heading next, and here is why. First, we are at a major support level, major support Fibonacci level on this cycle. So the cycle started over here. This is the Fibonacci, and we stand right now at the 0.382 Fibonacci level, which usually acts as a very strong support area. As for the second reason, we're also in a strong support level, which is basically this one. Let's zoom in a little bit. So this support level was tested twice before. The first time was over here when it acted as a resistance, and the second time was over here. So this is a very strong support area on the daily chart, and now Bitcoin is retesting this area for the third time. So to sum this up, the bulls are saying we're in a downtrend because we have started forming lower lows and lower highs, and we have broken the uptrend. The bulls are saying that we have a possibility of retracement from here because we have two strong support levels, which are the Fibonacci 382 and this yellow box over here, which is a support area. But the $1 million question remains over here. What's going to happen next? Now it's very important over here to be open for possibilities. And when I say possibilities, I'm not talking about a million different options. However, we have only two possibilities. Either we're heading up or we're heading down. So let's take a look at each one of these options and see which one of them is more viable. So let us start with the first option, which says that we'll be heading up from here. Now, Since Bitcoin, as we said earlier, since it started its correction, it has formed some kind of descending channel, which is basically this one. So this is the channel that Bitcoin price is at right now. So if we end up going up from here, Bitcoin price shall be retesting this level, which is around 54,000. Now, does that mean that we'll be resuming our uptrend from here? Not necessarily, because the price might retest this level over here and then end up dropping down again to these same levels. But anyways, this is the first probability that we have. Now let's take a look at the second option, which says that the support level may not hold and the price will be falling below the current levels. So, unfortunately, if this happens, if the price closes somewhere at, let's say, 40,000 or below the 40,000, we literally have no support area to hold the price over here. And there will be a lot of panic selling that will be triggered if Bitcoin's price closes below these levels over here. The next support area that we shall be looking at is the 618 Fibonacci level, which also includes another support level which was retested here on the 23rd of January this year. So if the price end up breaking these support levels, we are likely to see it dropping all the way here. Now, this is not necessarily to happen in a straight line. It never goes in a straight line. However, we might see something more like this. It's going to be more or less similar to this pattern. So to sum this up, we have two options right now. The support holds, Bitcoin price retraces from here and retests this level, and then when it retests this level, we'll reevaluate it again and see what's the next step. Are we gonna go down again, or are we gonna break this channel and continue trending up from here? Or the other option, the support does not hold and the price goes down all the way towards that 27, 28, 29,000 area. The coming day or two are going to be very important because they are going to decide what's going to happen. So as soon as the picture clears up, I'll be posting another video updating this chart and telling you what we could be looking at next. Now, if you made it this far and you believe that the info I just presented helped you have a better understanding, then please consider sharing this video with your friends, subscribing to the channel, and turning on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you later.